A very warm welcome to one and all present over here. Today we are here for video presentation of our major project, that is online food ordering system. First of all, let me introduce our team member. We have Ramandeep Singh Flora as team leader, Hariom as our team member, then nextly myself, Yash Mishra and another team member, and then Arpit Shukla as team member. Next slide. And now, moving to the index of our project, it basically consists of first, introduction, second, features, third, hardware specification, fourth, software specification, fifth, database design, sixth, use case diagram, seventh, ER diagram, eighth, DFD diagram, ninth, testing, and then last but not the least, its conclusion. Next slide. And now we are talking about our project introduction. The online food ordering system is basically a project which is made up of an PHP and a MySQL. And project was developed with the help of the HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, and a Bootstraps. The project does not support any payment transaction with any third-party API such as a PayPal. And this project will be a good start if you are planning to build or developing an ordering system for a restaurant or a cafe. Next slide. And now moving to our features of an online food system, it basically consists of admin side and a client side. Now talking about the admin side, it basically consists of login page, the page where the admin will input his or her credentials. And second, the category page, the page where all products, menus, categories are listed. And third, we have a menu page, the page where the product menu is listed. And the fourth, the system settings, the page where the admin configure the website data. And now moving to the client side, it consists first page, home page, the page where the client will be redirected by the default. Second, the cart page, the page where the list and a menu of a product that being saved card is listed. And fourth, the about page, the page where the about content of a cafe or a restaurant is being displayed. And fourth, checkout page, the page where the client will place his or her order. Next slide. And now moving to the head and the hardware specification of our project. First, we have used a microprocessor in terms of n dual core, and we have used an RAM of 2 GBs or sometime it is more. And third, we use a hard disk space of something around 260 GB, and we use a monitor of TFT and LED, and we basically use a printers as a laser or inkjet. And the keyboard we have used, it contains of something around at 180 keys. And the mouse we have used a digital and an optical. And we have contains a 700 MB of CD DVD ROM. Next slide. And now moving to the software specification of project, that is a very important slide in our project. That first we have used a server as XAMP, and side server side script we have used it as a PHP. And use an user interface design in terms of HTML5, JavaScript, CSS, and a Bootstrap. And in place of a backend, we use and MySQL 7.0, and we use a Google Chrome as an another, and we also use the Win 7 as an operating system and Node++ as a text editor. And now the Hariom will continue.
Software model. Incremental model is a process of software development where requirements are broken down into multiple standalone modules of a software development cycle. Incremental development is done in steps from analysis, design, and implementation, testing, verifications, and maintenance. Each iteration process uh, through the requirements, design, coding, and testing phase. Secondly, now the use case diagram. Here, customer uh, first register, then login, see the menus, and search for the foods and order the food. Now, in the from the restaurant side, the login firstly login, then he log out and details and delete food items and edit food items, update food items. And now from the manager side, it can log in and add restaurants and remove restaurants. Next page. In ER diagram, uh, users can have user ID, username, user mobile, user email, user address, etc. And login, in login we have login ID, login role ID, login username, user password. And in roles ID, roles name, roles desk. And in permission, permission ID, permission role ID, permission name, and permission module. And now first customer, then order, then deliver. So customer has the customer ID, customer mobile number, customer name, customer password, address, and customer emails. And in products, uh, firstly it orders the product and manages and delivers to the uh, delivers in details like delivery ID, delivery type, delivery desk, delivery address. And now Raman will explain the next slide.
Hi, I will be explaining about the first level data flow diagram in online food ordering system. So in online food ordering system, the food management generate the food report of it, and category management generate the category report of online food ordering system. Same like that, order management generate order report for it, and delivery management generate the delivery report. And login management generate the login user login details, and system user management generate the system user report. So this in online food ordering system, in first level data flow diagram, this all happen in it. And the second level data flow diagram, firstly, if we'll log in through admin, we have to log in through admin. If you have forgot password, then it will send email to the user. And then after you log in to the admin, then it will be logging into the system, and then the system will check the credentials. So according to, like, it will check the credential who have logged in, and the password is correct or not. Then you will check all the previous credential, and then the software will check the role of the access who have logged in, like if the user has logged in or manager access has logged in. So after checking of this credential and the checking of the role of access, then the module will be managed according to that only. Like the management will be like, it will be able to manage the food details, it will be able to manage the category details, manage the order detail also, and manage the customer details, and also manage the payment detail, delivery details, and report. Through that only it will be also able to manage the user permission, role of the user, and also will manage the system admin. So this all thing happen in second level of data flow diagram in online food ordering system. Now the Arpit Shukla will be explaining the next slide.
Hello, I am Arpit Shukla and I am here to explain about testing and conclusion of our major project. In testing, software testing is evaluation of the software against requirements gathered from users and system specifications. Unit testing is a form of software testing in which isolated source code is tested to validate exact behavior. These tests are done on unit level. Its advantages are it reduces the defects, it reduces the cost, and also improves the design of the software. Unit testing are done in two methods. First is black box testing. In this testing, Interface inputs and outputs are tested. And second is white box testing, in which functions behavior are tested. So now for the conclusion, the points are: under order section, system displays all food order in different colors, names, dates, etc. Customer can change order status from ordered to delivery, cancelled or not delivered. Admin can check total revenue generated from the delivered order. It is food ordering management system which is done on PHP and MySQL. For UI, it is fully uses the vanilla CSS. And last but not the least, a clean and simple dashboard is presented for greater user experience by using this combined food ordering management system in PHP and MySQL. Thank you.
So our conclusion will be like the restaurant would be able to give experience the food. We can experience, the customer can experience the food by resting at home. So the restaurant will also be able to expense their market in this and can deliver the food to the to around the city where the people from away can't come to the restaurant because of the they are working from home or as well. So through our online food ordering system, they will be able to order the food order the food and by sitting at home only, and it will also reduce the paperwork as well. So thank you.